So there's this app called Yubo, and people are calling it the Snapchat clone for teens. But here's the twist. While it looks fun and innocent, it might actually be one of the most dangerous social media apps out there. At first glance, Yubo seems harmless. You can go live, meet new people, and chat with others nearby. It's basically a mix of Snapchat and Tinder, but specifically aimed at younger users. You can swipe, join live streams, and make new friends. Sounds fun, right? But there's a catch. Here's the issue: privacy and safety. There have been countless reports about fake profiles, predatory behavior, and weak moderation. It's super easy for someone to lie about their age or identity, which makes the app a major risk for teens. Even though Yubo says it uses age verification, it's far from perfect. Yubo has partnered with Yoti to introduce facial age verification. This tech uses a real-time selfie to estimate a user's age. Sounds smart, but it's not foolproof. Some users can bypass the system, which leaves younger teens exposed to potentially harmful interactions. Despite the risks, Yubo is addictive. Its flashy interface, live streams, and swipe features make connecting with others exciting. It trades safety for engagement, keeping users coming back for more. If your goal is just to make friends online, there are safer apps out there. Always prioritize apps that protect privacy, moderate content effectively, and verify users properly. So yes, Yubo might look like the next Snapchat, but behind the filters, swipes, and fun features, it's risky territory for teens. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more guides on social media safety. And remember, online friends can be fun, but your safety comes first.